Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here. Let me show you where I am, guys. I'm out here at Bob Moore Infinity this morning. Okay. I'm going to refilm this Shelby GT350. This is a 2017. I'm going to show you the outside and I'm going to show you the inside. And we're going to get you a cold start, all right? So let me just show you around it right quick. Yeah, I was getting ready to leave and I seen it down there. I didn't know if it was a Shelby at first. Then I came out and looked at it. Then now I know it's a Shelby 350. Okay. Let's see if he unlocked it. Yeah, he did. Okay, it's a stick shift, guys. Got 200 on the dash. Got the recorder on it, seats. There you go. There's the branding up there. Ain't no leg room back here, guys. I think you guys who know about Chevy, you know it ain't. Mustangs don't have a lot of leg room. This is a 2017. It's nice. It's real nice looking. Get on the other side. Let's see the passenger side. Look at that. It's nice. That's what I was telling you, ain't got no leg room back here. All right. Got the Brembos on there. Like it. What size tires we got on here? I think it is this it right here? Oh, there you go. 305. Shut this door. Let you guys get a good look at it, man. Beautiful. Shelby GT350. Wow. Need a washing, but that's okay. That's easy to do. Wash it. That's easy to do. Very simple. All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392. I thought I was going to get a cold start, but he left, so I guess I'm not. Oh, here he comes. He's coming. All right, guys, we're going to get us a cold start on this GT350 Shelby. Here we go. Let's go. There you go. There you go. That just made my whole day. You hear the different sound? It's a different sound. your information one more time on it. There you go. That sounds beautiful, man. All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392. I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.